An Italian family taught me. Fry the tomatoes in the pan for 15 minutes. Peel them. Add tomato paste. A few cloves of garlic finely chopped. Mash the tomatoes with a fork. Grind coarse salt in a mortar. Grind the black pepper. Season the sauce. Add oregano. Add grated mozzarella. Mix with the sauce. Pour in sweet cooking cream. Fill the pot with water. Add salt. Boil penne pasta for 10 minutes. Wash the cherry tomatoes in a bowl of water. Wash the cucumber. Cut the tomatoes in half. Slice the cucumber. Wash the parsley in a bowl of water. Chop finely. Put the vegetables and greens in a bowl. Drizzle with freshly squeezed lemon juice. Remove the pit from the avocado. Peel the skin. Cut the avocado into cubes. Take the necessary spices. Season with salt, black pepper, oregano, olive oil. Mix the salad. Drain the pasta. Mix with the sauce. The taste, aroma, and creaminess make this pasta a true delight.